Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander and we're going to do the side door chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side trim. It's just a regular chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives it a more sportier look to the vehicle. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we've prepped the panel. So all you need is baby shampoo and water mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and make sure to remove any contaminants that the panel may have. And also, when you're done preparing the panel, make sure everything's completely dry as well. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel, because if there's still any water residue left over, then the adhesive would not stick to the panel even if you apply heat. So make sure everything's completely clean and dry. So once you finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, you can start off by placing the film to the panel here. That way you're able to align the film to the edge right here. So make sure you align it right on the edge and make sure you're covering the chrome. If you need to move it a little bit further to cover more chrome, you can. Just make sure everything stays aligned. And then with this one, you could use the lower section as a guide in order to align the film to the panel. So carefully lift the film and align the film just like that. Once you place it, grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. Make sure to remove any air bubbles that may be underneath the film, and also just help it tack down as you're squeegeeing the film. And if you need to lift to readjust it, you can. Just make sure to lift it carefully, that way you don't accidentally tear the film. Okay, once you place the film, grab your heat gun and start applying heat to the film. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster and tack down more faster to the panel. So once you finish applying heat to the panel, now the next step is to trim off any excess material that you may have. So this excess material on top gets trimmed off, and also the edge one closer to the mirror gets trimmed off, and the edge one. So at the top piece, there is a gap between the gasket and the actual chrome panel. When you find that gap, make an outline. That way you have an idea of where you're going to trim off the excess material. And once you've created that outline, you can start from anywhere. Just make sure to insert the blade and then carefully make your way to either side. So just slowly trim off the excess material. You don't have to apply too much pressure when trimming off, and just help it glide. Continue until you reach it to the edge. And then, like I said, this part, trim it off too. So just be careful with this one. You could trim it off right in the middle and the film could go tucked in around, or you could trim it off right on the edge. It'll be completely up to you. So if you want to trim it right on the edge, this is how it would be trimmed off. And you would just lift and apply heat to help it tack down, and you would just continue on with the rest. So just finish off until you end it here. And then once we finish trimming, we'll apply heat to help it tack down once more. So once you finish trimming off the excess material, grab your heat gun and start applying heat onto the film once more. That way we help it tack down, and if there's any film still lifting, the heat will help it tack down as well. And the same steps that were done for the front panel, you would repeat it for the rear panel. Same steps: align, tack down, trim off excess, apply heat, and finish it off. And then once you're done with this one, you'll move on with this one. Okay, so now we're moving on to the quarter window section. So with this one, all you need to do is just make sure you align it on the curved area. So make sure when you place it, you give yourself enough material to cover the edge here, and also keep in mind to have material on this side as well. So you need material on both ends in order to cover the whole panel. Once it's aligned, place it down carefully and do the same for this side, just so you remove any fingers that may be in the middle section, and just follow the design of the panel here until you reach it to the edge here. Now that everything's aligned and you notice that everything's going to get covered, now you could grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. So just make sure you remove any bubbles that are underneath the film, help it tack down, and then next heat all over the film. That way the adhesive starts activating, and also we're able to tack down film on this curve here since it's still lifting. So apply a little bit of heat around the curve, let it cool down, and just with your finger help it tack down. And you just repeat this process until you're able to bring down the film on the curve here. And you would do the same here as well. So just like that, just continue applying heat and use your finger to help it tack down. You can also use your squeegee in case your finger doesn't fit around this small area. And just like that, it looks flush, and just continue on with the rest of the panel. And with this one on the top section, if you do have excess material, you could tuck it in underneath this panel. That way you don't have to trim off the excess material. Just make sure to apply heat, that way the film is able to stay tacked down on the top section of the panel. Once you finish applying heat, let the film cool down just a little bit, and then just trim off any excess material that you may have anywhere around the edges. Take your time, make sure you create an outline, that way you know where you trim, and just trim off the excess material we don't need. Just take your time like this. There is a small gap where you could enter your blade, and just trim it off. Carefully pick the film out. And then once you're done trimming off the excess material, the last thing to do will be to post heat this panel and the other two panels that were installed. So like I mentioned, once you finish installing the whole panel, the last thing to do is to grab your heat gun and post heat the entire panel. Make sure you go all around each section of the panel, applying heat. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just take your time applying heat on each section. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete installation for the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.